Kas. Mama Isa. Sandra. Castingin mo si Mami. Ano sasabihin mo kay Mama Isa? Uy. I love you. You love me. We are happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Once you say you love me too. Paano yung kay John D? Be, paano yung kay John D? Si ganyan ba? Kanta ka garo ng Nobody. Cheating and ding-a-ling.